And with fears of major supply disruptions, global oil prices have hit another milestone. Global oil prices have touched $116 per barrel mark. This is the highest in 8 years, since August 2013 to be precise. Now, earlier, the prices of crude oil, which is a benchmark for global oil, touched as high as $115.
Multiple reasons why crude has touched the $115 per barrel level. Now, firstly is that the oil market was already very tight. Now, demand had bounced back very strongly while there were supply constraints. Now, supply constraints were there because the investments in oil exploration business were lower, which led to lower capacities. Now, even OPEC Plus members were not able to meet their production target. In the month of January, they had missed their production target by nearly 1 million barrels of crude per day. Now, in such a tight market, even a small disruption could have a big price impact, and that is what we have been seeing. Now, Russia's invasion on Ukraine has fueled a market on the supply disruption side. Now, Canada has already banned oil imports from Russia, and along with that, oil exports from Russia are also expected to get impacted because of no access to SWIFT, which is the global interbank payments system. Along with this, even world's biggest container company has halted container movement to and from Russia. Now, to ease this disruption, IEA did say that they'll release around 60 million barrels of crude, but the same, according to experts, will not be enough to absorb this shock. This disruption, OPEC Plus has maintained its production output at around 4 lakh barrels per day, which is also at a lower side given that the demand has bounced back very strongly. And on the back of all these factors, now even foreign global brokerages are expecting crude to average at around $110 to $120 per barrel in the second quarter of calendar year 2022.